नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है शालिनी और स्वागत है आप सभी का इस अनोखे किताबी मेले में जिसका नाम है मेरी किताब मेरी कहानी सीज़न 10। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना, सीज़न 10 शुरू हो चुका है और आज इसका डे 6 हम टेलीकास्ट करने जा रहे हैं। 5 सेशंस हमने सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट किए हैं। आई एम श्योर आपने इन पाँचों सेशंस में बहुत सारे नोट्स बनाए होंगे क्योंकि 5 अलग-अलग टॉपिक्स को हमने टच किया है, उनको डिस्कस किया है और बहुत कुछ नया सीखा है, नए पर्सपेक्टिव्स को जाना है। आज के सेशन में भी हम आपके लिए एक बेहतरीन किताब, एक बेहतरीन ऑथर और एक यूनिक टॉपिक लेकर के आए हैं। आई एम श्योर आप में से बहुत से लोगों को ट्रैवल पसंद होगा। ट्रैवल करना, नई-नई जगहों पे जाना, घूमना, अपने आप को एनलाइट करना, अपने आप को रिफ्रेश करना हम सभी करते हैं। लेकिन आपने कभी सोचा है कि ट्रैवल आपके लिए एक थेरेपी का काम कर सकती है? ट्रैवलिंग आपको कुछ ऐसा सिखा सकती है तो ऐसा सिखा सकती है जो शायद आपने अपने जीवन के कामों में, अपने रोज़मर्रा के कामों में रहते हुए आप नहीं सीख पा रहे हैं। जी हाँ, ट्रैवल हमें क्या कुछ नया सिखा सकती है, हमारी ज़िंदगी को कैसे बदल सकती है, हमारी ज़िंदगी के नज़रिए को कैसे बदल सकती है, इसके बारे में आज हम बात करने वाले हैं। सो आज का टॉपिक बहुत हटके, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है। धीरे-धीरे मैं आपको बताऊँगी हमारे ऑथर के बारे में, आज की किताब के बारे में और फिर हम उनसे डिस्कशन करेंगे इस टॉपिक के बारे में। तो सबसे पहले ऑथर का एक क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ ताकि आप उनके साथ ईज़िली कनेक्ट कर पाएँ। जो ऑथर आज हमसे जुड़ रही हैं, ये तमिलनाडु के हिस्टोरिकल सिटी त्रिची से बिलॉन्ग करती हैं। बचपन से ही ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव माहौल में पली-बढ़ी ऑथर का वर्ल्ड बहुत छोटा था। लेकिन 2016 में उनकी लाइफ पूरी तरह से बदल गई। जब उन्होंने महसूस किया कि ज़िंदगी की असली वेल्थ पैसा या प्रॉपर्टी नहीं, बल्कि अर्थ को एक्सप्लोर करना और इसमें बिताया हुआ टाइम है। इस दौर में डिप्रेशन से जूझते हुए उन्होंने एक विमेन ट्रैवल ग्रुप को जॉइन किया। स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ ट्रैवल करने का डर, एंजाइटी और हेजिटेशन इन सब को ब्रेक करके उन्होंने पहला बड़ा रिस्क लिया। वही जर्नी थेरेपी से ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में बदल गई। पास्ट 8 इयर्स में ऑथर ने 15 प्लस इंडिया स्टेट को ट्रैवल किया है और 2024 में इन्होंने अपना पहला फुल फ्लेज सोलो जर्नी शुरू की थी। है ना इंटरेस्टिंग इंट्रोडक्शन हमारे आज के ऑथर का। इसके साथ में अब मैं आपको किताब का इंट्रोडक्शन दूँगी ताकि आपको और भी ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट होगा। आज की जो किताब है दैट इज़ ट्यूलिप एट डॉन, लाइट्स एट डस्क। एक हार्ट टचिंग ट्रैवलॉग है जो सेल्फ डिस्कवरी, करेज और फ्रीडम की रियल जर्नी को डिस्कवर करता है। किताब दिखाती है कि कैसे ट्रैवल स्पेशली वुमेन के लिए थेरेपी, हीलिंग और एम्पावरमेंट का अनुभव बन सकता है। ये किताब सिर्फ ट्रैवल के बारे में ही नहीं है, ये इनर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, इमोशनल लिबरेशन और फाइंडिंग योर विंग्स की कहानी है। ये किताब हर उस महिला के लिए इंस्पायरिंग है जो सोसाइटी के डोंट डू दिस, डोंट गो देयर जैसे फियर्स को ओवरकम करके अपनी ओन जर्नी को लिखना चाहती है। दोस्तों मैं स्टार्टिंग से एक्साइटेड हूँ आज के ऑथर से बात करने के लिए, इस टॉपिक पर बात करने के लिए क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि हम में से बहुत से लोगों का ये एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है ट्रैवलिंग और ये कैसे हमारे लिए थेरेपी का काम कर सकता है, इसके बारे में हम आज बात करने वाले हैं। सो मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूँगी हमारे आज की स्पेशल ऑथर को जिनका नाम है क्विंटन मिनाला थॉमस। हाय क्विंटन,
Namaskar,
हाउ आर यू?
Shalini. Hi, fine, fine. It's such a big, brief introduction you gave already.
Quentin, I'm so excited to know more about your book and your journey, and it's really my favorite topic, traveling. And I think so that all we women really want to become a refresh start or become to get a therapy from traveling. So let's start it. So first of all, welcome to this program, and we want to know how do you feel being associated with Meri Kitab Meri Kahan?
Actually, this is accidentally I came upon because right? This is my first author journey. I'm just stepping like LKG, pre-KG level in writing. Suddenly, from Ardian Books, they suggested this famous show is going on. It is already you completed 5 seasons, right? This is the 10th season, something. Am I
Yeah, this is
right
the
on?
content.
Yeah, they suggested this is very famous one and already completed that one and you are part of 10th season. Are you interested? They said. First because my focus was on full on first book release. It should be successful, everything. I don't know
Mhm.
whether I could join immediately. See, there are many published authors more than experienced than me. They have many content to share with you all. But I don't know whether I can participate, what to share, what about writing like that. Then I surfed in the net about Mary Kitab, Mary Kahani. It was so impressed and exciting. So I just want to give a
Right.
try. Why not? Why not? Okay, so let us start with the interview like a well published author like that.
That's
That's
the
what.
spirit. That's the spirit. Yeah. So, Quentin, now I have given your very brief introduction. So, could you please tell us about yourself?
Okay, I am professionally I am from IT profession with the 15 years experience, and already you said where is my hometown, everything like that.
Right.
So after college, I came to Chennai for job and settled here. And that in the phase in between of the job, right, how stressful job and family pressures. Likewise, when I thought, what is our life going? It's like machinery, no, like going to office, coming to job, everything. So just
Right.
what I discovered traveling. So I just started and I
Wow.
completed
Very
MCA and 15 years experience in that profession. It is going beside that, and partly I will find my own time, me time, traveling.
wow. Your me time in your you found your me time in traveling, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Quentin, we want to know reading and writing two habits. How did these habits, impact your life, your perspective, everything? How you see these habits in your life?
Okay, writing. I think it is not at went to next level for that habit because I'm just started. So reading means
Mm.
it is. My mom is a teacher. My parents both are teachers. So right? Teacher parents are teachers means they always put us into dump into academical work. So reading habit
Right.
was instilled to me from my mother. So when childhood from that magazines. She bought me that little children magazines. Like I started with Lava Kusa story. Like that,
Okay.
I started reading. Then, little by little, apart from GK, general knowledge, I am into in this stories, comics, everything. I just kept on. Then, right, after 10th standard, we will stop all our extracurricular due to public exam, everything. So, reading habit put a pass on that, and then after coming to job in hostel life, I felt very bored. So that time
Mhm.
again I cherished, came back to reading habits. So I will buy as many novels, both in regional wise and English, everything. So mixed of that, I will started reading habit. So reading is not a consistent, but it always in my mind. I should spend some time in the reading. So in the past few years, I kept myself one decision that per year we need to complete at least four books. We are spending so much time on Netflix and Amazon for movies. So why not setting aside from that screening time? We should spend on the books. So it is a relaxation for our eyes and anything imagination world. We can go into our own imagination world in the books only. So then I recently started being consistent on the reading habit. Only this year I started writing. There are many more years to come.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, Quentin, I think who has helped you during this your writing journey? I mean, if we talk about this book, so who has helped you during throughout this writing journey?
There is not single person or whoever nearby. So it is many. While reading, we get influenced by the authors and their thoughts. Any social issues or any emotional issues. There are many guidance. So from books, every words will trigger us to keep us start writing. So it is not about one person. There are multiple through books, words, so we want to something registered. So traveling and collecting the photos and putting it in an album, that is not should be there, right? Experience should be revealed. It should be shared with our fellow women, buddies, everything. So hence I started writing. So it is influenced by a mix of society and surroundings.
Okay, so society, friends, this is a mixture of these elements. So now friends, अब समय आ गया है कि हम क्विंटिन के किताब के साथी से बातचीत करें. So मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूंगी इनकी फ्रेंड करुणा जी को. हाय करुणा.
Hi. Yeah.
हाय करुणा, how are
So
you?
nice. Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you? So nice to
I'm
see you Kunten, in this forum.
Ina, welcome to this program, and we are talking with Quentin, and she is sharing her writing journey of this particular book. So we want to know
Okay.
about your views. That how do you feel about her book?
She actually what I think that she has about her mainly as you already told she is traveling a lot, so she has put her all her experiences, many experiences in that book, and it has come from her own, come from her heart. I think it's very authentic. So that's what I feel about this is a feel I can get from the book.
Okay, Karuna, we want to know one thing. That are you also her travel companion?
I wish to be, but not much. But I was her. We had worked together in an MNC, and from then we were friends for a long time. We would share a lot of things about my life and hers, and we'd always keep touch over the phone. Sometimes I won't go to many places out of state or anything, but within Chennai, she's my traveling companion. We would go to many places within Chennai with her.
And one
Maybe
thing to
north,
highlight, Shalini,
Kochi.
she is my
Yeah.
reading companion. She's more than me. She's a better reader than me. She's fast reader, and she also about to write some book in future, near future.
Wow, great, Karuna. So now you are also interested in writing, right?
Yeah. I used to
Okay.
write bits and pieces, not fully, but okay, maybe we could start something like that.
Okay. So, Karuna, have you noticed any change in Quentin after becoming an author? Any change
Many
in?
changes. She's more open about her thoughts,
Hmm.
open about it. Sometimes she won't even to me, she won't open much, but she is able to express her whatever it is bothering us. We need to first express it out, what we need to know. I think in that way, she's able to express herself more or understand herself more. That's what I think the change I can see in her.
Okay. Karuna, thank you so much for your valuable time and your views. All the best for your future. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so now, Quentin, we now want to know about your book. Now we want to deep dive in the book. So please let us know about this.
Okay. So it is my trip with Netherlands and Paris. I went, I planned solo and everything, itinerary, everything I made and then went. So I want to share the experience. It is not about the sightseeing, just tick a row like that. Eiffel Tower tick a row, tulips tick a row. So more than that, experience and cherishing the culture as a single person and getting lost in the streets and finding the way back to hotel.
Wow.
So sharing those thoughts. On the first day, I just explored the city and I forgot my hotel address itself while coming back. So it is a so funny thing and a fearful thing also. I was checking the mobile and finding the station name and getting back to hotel like that. It is a just unique experience, right? Solo travel will have lot of such kind of
Right.
experience other than group
Absolutely.
travel. So I just want to, so once I every day was a challenge for me. Okay, one day one completed, success, super. So day
Mhm.
two, okay, done, it is completed like that. Overcoming challenges every day and sometimes losing the bus or missing in the wrong places, everything is mixed of emotions. So only once I get back to home, I started, I want to write in a diary just our
Okay.
experience. Then
Mhm.
I saw some many ads like coming up that we can write a book within 20 days, 40 days like that. Then I started. Then only started writing in a word document about everyday what I have experienced. Apart from sightseeing, which hotel, which food I choose, what are the funny things happened, everything I started writing. That's how it came. I just, okay, why not? We should publish a book first, like
Mhm.
that.
Mhm.
So it is kind of experience. So sometimes it may boring, but it is personally, it is emotionally, because without any experienced daughters like that. But I just want to share how, as a solo woman, what I feel from the heart, how I see the new city like that. That's what the book says.
Quentin, I think it needs so much courage to become a solo traveler, and especially for women, if we talk about, it's not easy actually. I'm sure it's not
Yes.
easy for you for the first time.
Yes.
Okay.
No, solo traveling. This is first time, but what is a funny thing means I'm that I already mentioned in overprotective child. I'm single child, so right. Parents will pamper. Don't go there. Don't go here.
Yeah.
So in
Yeah.
these cases, I have mentioned in the book also. My mom never leave me few steps away to play in the sea itself. She will afraid some
Oh
big
my
waves may come like that. So she's very afraid and she will restrict me like that. It is not like conditioning, but they are very afraid something may happen to me like that.
right.
Like that only I start a small step like with going in a group as a stranger. Then only I landed after these many years. Okay, we in India we covered as much. Why can't we take a next step to abroad like that? That's how I started. And one thing, in every country we carry the fear as an Indian woman. That feeling will come. No, all our movies will come into picture.
Right. Right. Absolutely right. Quentin, you have covered 15 plus Indian states. It's
Yeah,
really
that is with.
amazing.
Hmm. No, actually, while writing book, it was 15. Now it came around 17, 18.
How much? 18.
18.
Okay. Okay. It's really huge. Okay, so now, Quentin, what inspired you to begin your travel journey after growing up in a highly protective environment? As you said, you have um, born and brought up in very highly protective environment. So, isn't it? I'm sure it's really very hard for you also. to tell your parents that you want to do like this thing?
Yes, yes. Actually, during the time when I take a step to travel, that time I have some family issues, personal issues also going on. So I was in so much depressed state. So I have no friends to get along to go for outing at all. So that
Hmm.
time I found that Facebook one of the link for group travel. Then I followed them for few months. Even I am scared personally myself more than my parents. I also have my own fears. How can I mingle with strangers like that? So that
Hmm.
time I came, I followed it in Facebook for a few months. Then okay, why can't we give a short of 2 days trip? At least 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, we will go like that. So that's how I started. And I convinced the parents, not that much, because before trip, I compelled I started registering my parents' mind that I am in wish for travel like that. So, if they didn't give permission, I will ask them, then come for with me for trekking. They will say, okay,
Okay.
leave me alone. I am not, they are very aged persons, you know, right? Health issues are there. So they will tell, no, leave me for trekking at all. Before starting tripping, I keep on insisting them that I'm interested in travel. Either I'm going alone or you are coming with me. Like that, you know, right? All the quarrels will happen in our home. Then they said, okay, 2 days, okay, go ahead. Like that, they started.
हम्म। ओके। दोस्तों, आज हम बात कर रहे हैं क्विंटिन थॉमस के साथ। इनकी किताब के बारे में हम चर्चा कर रहे हैं और किताब का टॉपिक इनकी सोलो ट्रैवलिंग पर बेस्ड है। जब इन्होंने सोलो ट्रैवलिंग शुरू की, तो उसके क्या एक्सपीरियंस इनको रहे और कैसे इन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स को ये चीज़ ज़ाहिर की कि मुझे सोलो ट्रैवलिंग करनी है, फिर क्या कुछ इनके ऊपर प्रेशर आया, क्या कुछ कंडीशंस थी, इन सब के बारे में इन्होंने अपनी बुक में चर्चा की है। और साथ में ये भी बताया है कि सोलो ट्रैवलिंग सिर्फ़ एक ट्रैवलॉग नहीं है, सिर्फ़ एक ट्रैवल के बारे में ये नहीं कि यहाँ गए, यहाँ यहाँ पर पहुँचे, ये टिक हो गया है, अब इतनी चीज़ें कवर हो गई, इन सब के बारे में नहीं, इन सब के अलावा इससे भी आगे इन्होंने बातचीत की है। इन्होंने बात की है कैसे इनकी लाइफ़ ट्रांसफ़ॉर्म हुई, कैसे इनकी पर्सनैलिटी ट्रांसफ़ॉर्म हुई, क्या कुछ इन्होंने नया सीखा, कैसे इन्होंने कॉन्फिडेंस गेन किया, इन सब के बारे में इन्होंने चर्चा की है। तो आई एम श्योर ये किताब अपने आप में बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशनल है और मोटिवेट करेगी उन सारी वुमेन को जो शायद कहीं न कहीं रुक गई हैं अपनी लाइफ़ में और एक नई एनर्जी चाहती है, एक नई ऊर्जा चाहती है। तो अगर आप ये ऑप्शन ढूँढ रहे हैं, सो ट्रैवलिंग, सोलो ट्रैवलिंग आपके लिए एक बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन हो सकता है और इसकी जीती-जागती उदाहरण क्विंटिन जी हैं, जो एक ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव फैमिली बैकग्राउंड से आती हैं, लेकिन उसके बाद भी इन्होंने अपने आप को निखारा, अपने आप को ढूँढा और अपने आप में वो कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलप किया, जिससे कि आज वो अपनी लाइफ़ को अपने तरीके से जी पा रही हैं। सो दोस्तों, इस टॉपिक पर अगर आपके कोई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है या आपने कभी सोलो ट्रैवलिंग की है, कोई एक्सपीरियंस आपका रहा है, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा और हमारी कन्वर्सेशन कैसी चल रही है, कैसी लग रही है आपको, वो भी आप टाइम टू टाइम हमें बताते रहिए अपने कमेंट्स के ज़रिए। So now back to Quentin. I want to ask, what fears did you have before taking your first major trip, and how did you overcome them?
Okay. Uh, every trip will have some fears. For example, even when going with the strangers, I hesitated for the language issues or with new state, new everybody, because I went start traveling with my neighbor state. So I be even afraid how people will they will mingle with me like that, because I am the one person from this area, opposite area. So I have some that fears. First, stages they, because traveling we are finding peace, we are going, so that should not be get affected. So I was very conscious on that. Is the one fear with group. Then after group was, I'm okay with the group. Everyone was safety, women to women. Okay, I'm get adjusted to it. Doing first solo travel, all those fears came upon. What happened? How can we manage everything? Sometimes I will read the political news of that particular country at all. So what is going on currently, so that we should not get affected in between, getting lost like that. So it's lot of fears, from flight to missing the flight, or missing the bus or train, everything. It's those are the fears. So every day is coming as challenge, but each day will, after one experience, our confidence level will be built upon like a bricks. So
Right.
uh, it's happened like that.
Right. I really want to know that you have mentioned that you have met so many strangers there. So, how did traveling with strangers help you grow emotionally and mentally?
Okay, this is good question. And my main learning of traveling is the mingling with the different kind of persons from different backgrounds. In my solo women travel, I met bacha to college girl to mid-age women and to the elderly people who retired and want to do trekkings after at 70, 60 age. So these things built me emotionally. So I already told, no, I started traveling in depressed mode. So these traveling with strangers broke that one. We are not only one who are suffering. There are many people who are suffering, but still they find time to indulge in their passion. So that built me emotionally and mentally. I kept myself strong. So we are nothing in front of others' problems like that. So everyone, right, from college girl to elderly people, those who retired and who are housewife from different job backgrounds, so every inputs will shape us because if I am in one profession means I will mingle with the same kind of profession people, but when in
Mm.
travel I mingle with everyone. Some advocate from Delhi and Trivandrum, some doctors and so different kind of people from Manipur. I have friends, so different state friends. I got friends. So it's like incredible India. My heart is filled
Yeah,
with incredible emotions. Like different culture
beautiful.
background, different age group, their experience, sharing with the experience. It is a kind of new education. More than education, it is an experience level. Apart from academic, the real time experience is a kind of education.
Quentin, I can see easily your excitement on your face while you are traveling solo. The excitement, the way you are defining the things, the answering the questions. This is really incredible, beautiful.
Thank you. That this is the
Okay,
change. Before travel,
this
I
is a
won't
change.
speak like this. I will be very hesitate within my family friends. I'm very introvert,
Oh,
but after traveling, it is like I became like extrovert. I'm the first one to
wow.
handshake.
So are you enjoying this phase, this confidence?
Yes, more than enjoying, I'm experiencing. Every day is experience. Every culture is experience. So that is mentally creating my optimistic state. So setting behind my own problems when mingling with others, sharing other experience. So our problems are nothing like that.
Right, right. Okay. So what challenges did you face from your family while pursuing your passion for travel? Now, this is the important question. I think every girl, every woman want to know how
Okay,
can we do this also?
I want to highlight. So I told you first trip with the solo, not group travel with 2 days. That became
Mhm.
success. Okay, fair and good. 2 days weekend, I came back home safely. That is
Okay.
cool. What happened? Once I felt that first trip was success, then my inner heart says that no, 2 days not enough. Jump into big trips like that. So I took
Okay.
my first trip to Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. So that phase what happened, one fire accident happened in Kodaikanal side, hill station side. Some people got right, they got burnt, even one of my friend also victim for that, my distant
Okay.
friend. She's some of the batchmate, some like that. So I hesitate to ask my father permission. He was watching the same news in front of the TV, and the next coming week, 1 week in between, after that 1 week, I'm about to travel Tawang. I was very hesitant, and he was looking at me on the news channel like this and this. No, no, you should not go. It is not safe
Mhm.
like that. No, and
Mhm.
then I compelled, and right, all the drama I put, and then they first trip they just send off me at the airport, and my parents were eyes were filled with tears. Then I felt very guilty. Okay, I should come back safely. I want to prove them that I can go anywhere and come back safe. That one I
Mhm.
was holding my heart. So that's how it happened. So if some any if the news channels, if any news was going, I won't tell my trip plans.
Yeah, okay. All right. Quentin, what did you realize that travel was becoming a form of therapy for you? When did you realize?
Yeah, after the getting some consoling words through friends and family, it is double. We get doubled in with the hill stations or with beaches with when we are close to nature. So nature always give a trustworthy partner for us, I think so. So there is no better remedy other than nature. So it will always have, so it won't speak with us, but that sense we can feel that cure ourselves. You know, right? Beach in beach watching the sea waves, or in hill stations watching the sunrise or sunset. That is double the remedy of our own woundy heart. So I felt that is a relaxation and everything.
Okay. Quentin, among 15 plus states you travel across, which experience impacted you the most and why?
Okay, I should say first that Kashmir. So from childhood, you know, right? Kashmir means that war zone. That is what
Right.
we know from, as I am from the Tamil Nadu, so I know that is war zone. Only army people will be there. Anytime anything will happen like that. So that is not in my mind. Kashmir is not my wish list also. So when the
Okay.
things happened, actually, Kashmir got postponed 3 times. So one due to some Pulwama attack, and
Okay.
second time COVID happened. So third time only I came to that became true. So when I travel Kashmir, it is more than beauty, and people are so warm people that we don't know much about Kashmir people, but when mingled with them, they're so soft and they are very warm hearted. So that touched my mind. So everywhere, all are we are all same like that. I felt that one. And nature, Jannati Kashmir. So it is worth that we are holding Kashmir tightly. That is very important. That I realized that one. So Kashmir, the perspectives changed after visiting Kashmir. Another thing is Andaman. And Andaman, there is one island, Rose and Smith Island. It is like only small road, and both side will be sea. This side sea will be in some green color. This side sea will be in blue color. So the colors is, both sides seeing the different colors. It is a surreal experience. So these are my most favorite destinations, and I was shocked because I don't much see these many colors. We don't see in the Indian borders. So Andaman sea colors, everything. That was astonished by seeing the view, both the Kashmir and Andaman. And even every state, you know, right? Our India has each state have some unique experience, unique culture, unique food. So diversity is our very wealthy one, right? So Rajasthan means architecture. That side, northeast means that tribal culture, and their living close to nature. And in Meghalaya, I found one that small town that is the Asia's cleanest village, Malinong, I guess so. So these every place gives some unique experience.
Hmm. I'm sure. I'm sure. दोस्तों आपसे भी मैं जानना चाहूँगी, रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि आपने अगर कुछ किसी जगह को एक्सप्लोर किया है, कहीं ट्रैवल किया है और आपको बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत बेहतरीन एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका, तो प्लीज़ कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आप कहाँ का ट्रैवल करके आए और किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस आपको रहा। जैसा कि क्विंटन ने बताया, कश्मीर का एक्सपीरियंस बहुत इनके लिए इनक्रेडिबल था, अंडमान निकोबार का बहुत इनके लिए इनक्रेडिबल था। सो अगर आप कहीं गए हैं, तो वहाँ का प्लीज़ एक्सपीरियंस हमें ज़रूर बताइएगा कमेंट करके। Now, Quintin, how do you think travel helps women break stereotypes and rediscover themselves?
Okay, it is out of home. So first, women's first stereotype to break is out of kitchen, then out of home, out of job. So
Right.
we already break the partial one from kitchen to job. We have switched.
Yeah.
So that is itself a very big challenge. Now we have to professional life. So now we are managing both the job at one time. So family also we are managing professionally. So again we want to meet and so again family and professional we are sacrificing our time most on others. So we want to find some time to find ourselves, our growth. Like that growth means not like economically, like emotionally, what passion we have to bring out like that. So travel not only gives like not it is not just stop with sightseeing. Okay, this area we saw, this is Taj Mahal we went, like that. Not like that. It is more than experiences. We can mingle. So out of news channel, out of oh these many we can manage ourselves own without harming. We have to same. We can be safe if we took some precautions like that. And when starting as a group we mingle with the fellow women and we can through that experience we learn something and we can implement that in our own life. So it is then that's how they can break stereotypes. So it's not like you don't want, if you are not travel lover also you can take that get away with you and you can implement in other field. So when I start after getting a travel I get some many ideas. So why can't we start business, why can't we choose that another job, interesting job like that. So many ideas you will get into. So even in your personal life problems you can get through experience you will have the courage to break some stigma, saying no to what you don't wish for and saying yes to your what you wish for, like that you learn that courage.
Absolutely. So now, Quentin, any message you want to give to women, to youth, to our young girls, to travel, but the people who want to travel but are afraid to take the first step?
Okay, first step. Anyhow, as in India, we are always we hear that no only for whatever girls say that no will be the answer. So first is start with family. Okay, actually, when my mother is afraid to let me, one of the group I accompanied her. I pulled her into travel. So when my mother also mingled with me in travel, she felt confident. She also said, okay, it's good. Traveling is so good. It is not like what we think of in by staying at simply at home. So I took my mother also for traveling. Likewise, in your passion, bring your family also. Let them let them watch you what you are doing, and they will also get so like that. Only that stereotypes will get broken, and they will encourage you. So start traveling with family, then with friends, then with the short trips, then go for long trips, then go for solo. So
Wow.
I don't know, I don't encourage everyone to start solo traveling
Hmm.
at once. So little by little take small steps. First you compel your parents in your trips or family members, husband, wife or children, take them to trips. Then you go with the friends, then slowly build upon, then finally you get explored you that in solo traveling like that. So that's what you used to start traveling, but small steps. Not only in traveling, in any passion, you take that first small step. That is the risky one. That is the bigger step. We are
Yeah.
afraid to take that first step. So once that first step, the distance between our own mind to that first step is huge. But after first steps, everything will come into place. The universe will bring it into place, right place.
ब्यूटीफुल। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप भी ट्रैवलिंग शुरू करना चाहते हैं, सो जैसा क्विंटन ने कहा कि आपको अचानक से ही ऑल ऑफ सडन सोलो ट्रैवल के बारे में नहीं सोचना चाहिए। आपको छोटे-छोटे स्टेप लेने हैं, मिनी स्टेप्स लेने हैं। आप फैमिली के साथ पहले जाइए, फिर फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाना शुरू कीजिए। उसके बाद आप शॉर्ट ट्रैवलिंग के अपने शेड्यूल बनाइए और फिर सोलो ट्रैवल पर जाइए। अगर आपको बहुत लंबी दूरी पे जाना है, लंबा ट्रैवल करना है तो इसलिए छोटे-छोटे स्टेप लीजिए। धीरे-धीरे आप कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करेंगे, धीरे-धीरे वो करेज आपके अंदर आएगा और आपको किसी तरह की कोई हर्डल नहीं होगी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। बहुत सक्सेसफुली और बहुत सिंपल तरीके से आप अपने ट्रैवल को कंप्लीट कर पाएँगे, हैपीली कंप्लीट कर पाएँगे। मोस्टली द थिंग इज़ हेल्दी और हैपीली आप कंप्लीट कर पाएँ, दैट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट। राइट क्विंटन?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, Quentin, we have reached to our next segment, which is called Author's Corner. So I'll be asking to you questions very quickly and you need to answer quickly. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay. So my first question is, what is the real happiness for you?
Real happiness is contributing back to society. So whatever earning, you should contribute to society. That is real happiness and goal of the life.
Okay. What is the definition of a true friend for you?
Definition of true friend: just to sit beside with me in both happiness and sadness, or any, they don't want to solve problems, but just be beside with us, holding our hands. That is enough for a true friendship.
Just listen to you.
Yeah, that is
Okay.
more matter. Nowadays expecting more than that is so costly.
Oh, yeah. Define yourself in one word.
Okay, define myself as, I just want to be in honest in everything about I do, and I want to share my experience with the society, every people, and I want to be a part of in empowerment of women or any social activities. I should be want to be a part of it. That's it.
Okay. What is your dream project?
Right now, no dream project. I want to explore more in writing. This is first journey. That itself super start with the Mary Kitab Meri Kahani. I didn't expect this show that so it's making me to write more so I can attend more interviews with you.
Oh, thank you so much. It's my pleasure completely, Quentin, to host you, and you are the fantastic guest actually. Because the topic is really, near my heart. Actually, I also like traveling, so I was really keen to talk about this topic to you. Really, really beautiful topic. So, thank you so much for giving us this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Shalini.
So, Quentin, now I want to ask any contact detail you want to share with us.
Contact details of mine, or
Yes, your contact details. Maybe our audience want to connect with you. So, any contact detail you want to
okay,
share.
my quinsbreeze@yahoo.com. That is my mail ID. So
Okay.
people can share your feedback about my book or any opinions.
एब्सोल्युटली सो दोस्तों अगर आप क्विंटिन से कनेक्ट होना चाहते हैं और इनकी बुक की राइटिंग जर्नी आप जानना चाहते हैं बुक के बारे में और ज़्यादा जानना चाहते हैं सो इनकी कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल हमने आपके साथ शेयर की है कमेंट सेक्शन में आप वहां से इसको नोट कर लीजिए और आप इनसे इजीली कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं क्विंटिन इफ वी बाय योर बुक टुडे सो इज देयर एनी डिस्काउंट फॉर अस
Yes, in Amazon it is 28% discount available, so you can make use of it.
ओके दोस्तों अगर आप क्विंटिन की बुक परचेस करते हैं तो अमेज़न पर 28% का डिस्काउंट आपको मिल सकता है नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स के लिए। तो इस अपॉर्च्युनिटी को ग्रैब ज़रूर कीजिए, बिल्कुल चूकना नहीं है इसकी। फिज़िकल कॉपी खरीदिए और अपने रिव्यूज़ देना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। एक बेहतरीन ट्रैवलॉग है ये, बेहतरीन जर्नी शेयर की गई है। आई एम श्योर आप में से बहुत लोग अपने आप को कनेक्टेड फ़ील करेंगे इस स्टोरी के साथ, इस बुक के साथ। रिव्यू ज़रूर दीजिएगा, एक ऑथर के लिए रिव्यूज़ बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं। Quentin, any future plans regarding your writing?
Yes, I want to write fiction side. So this is non-fiction side
Wow.
only I completed. So I want to touch fiction that is mixed of any travel related or new culture related, like that. I have in plan fiction or like that. So I have in my mind.
All right. Okay. So now, Quentin, thank you so much for your time, for your valuable views, and all the best for your future. Any message you want to share with us? Any message you want to give to our audience?
Okay, all start your passion side. Apart from profession, start simple steps in your passion, and encourage yourself. Be your own friend.
Okay. So thank you so much, Quentin. It's really wonderful talking to you, and all the best for your all future projects. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, Shalini. Dhanyavad.
धन्यवाद। दोस्तों ये था हमारा आज का सेशन डे 6 हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है क्विंटन थॉमस के साथ। ब्यूटीफुल किताब, ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्वर्सेशन, ट्रैवलिंग को लेकर के एक अलग ही मोटिवेशन था इनकी बातों में। आई एम श्योर आप में से बहुत से लोग ट्रैवलिंग को लेकर के क्या सोच रहे होंगे अभी। सोच रहे होंगे कि हमें अब ट्रैवलिंग प्लान करनी चाहिए, जाना चाहिए, आई एम श्योर ऐसा करना चाहिए अपने आप में। और वुमेन के लिए स्पेशली क्विंटी ने बताया कि वुमेन के लिए, गर्ल्स के लिए अगर वो सोलो ट्रैवलिंग करती हैं, तो उनके अंदर एक अलग तरह का कॉन्फिडेंस, एक अलग तरह का करेज पैदा होता है, जो बहुत ज़रूरी है लाइफ के लिए। इसलिए मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आपको ट्रैवलिंग करने का मौका मिल रहा है, तो उससे बिल्कुल मत चूकिए। प्रॉपर्टी एंड अदर थिंग्स, इन सब की जगह अगर आप ट्रैवलिंग के ऊपर इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, सो ये इन्वेस्टमेंट शायद आप अपनी ज़िंदगी के लिए कर रहे हैं और आपको बहुत सारे खट्टे-मीठे अनुभव देकर के जाएगा ये एक्सपीरियंस। सो इसी के साथ रैप अप करते हैं हम आज का सेशन, आज का प्रोग्राम। अगर आप भी हमारे साथ इसी तरह से एज़ अ गेस्ट अपीयर होना चाहते हैं, इस स्टेज पर हमसे बातचीत करना चाहते हैं, सो सीज़न 11 की एंट्रीज़ हमने ओपन कर रखी है। ये सीज़न 10 चल रहा है। मेरी किताब मेरी कहानी का सीज़न 11 की एंट्रीज़ ओपन है। अगर आप इस सीज़न में, सीज़न 10 में ही अपने आप को एनरोल करते हैं, सो आपको एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे इस प्रोग्राम में एनरोलमेंट करने के। और वो क्या होंगे, आपके साथ मैं एक नंबर शेयर कर रही हूँ, वहाँ पर डायल करके आपको वो सारे बेनिफिट्स का पता चल सकता है। इसके अलावा अगर आप फिज़िकल पॉडकास्ट हमारे साथ करना चाहते हैं, फेस टू फेस बात करना चाहते हैं, अपनी बुक के बारे में, अपने प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, अपनी ऑडियंस से रूबरू होना चाहते हैं, डायरेक्टली बातचीत करना चाहते हैं, सो हमने एक मंच रेडी किया है आपके लिए, सुपर पावर ऑथर पॉडकास्ट, जहाँ पर अपीयर होकर आप बहुत ईज़िली अपनी ऑडियंस के साथ कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं और अपने मन की बात को ईज़िली शेयर कर सकते हैं। इस पर कैसे अपीयर आपको होना है, इसके लिए मैं आपको एक लिंक शेयर कर रही हूँ, आप वहाँ पे क्लिक करके और आगे की जानकारी ईज़िली ले सकते हैं। तो यहीं पर फिनिश होता है हमारा आज का सेशन। कल मिलेंगे आपसे एक नए ऑथर के साथ, एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, एक नई बुक के साथ। ये है मेरी किताब मेरी कहानी सीज़न 10, जहाँ हर किताब के पीछे है एक कहानी और हर कहानी होती है एक प्रेरणा। धन्यवाद।